everyone! Apologies for apologizing so many times every time you see me in this getup and everything, but I feel the need to preface and say I'm aware that my foundation is far from matching my skin. I don't know that the camera is picking that up, at least on the viewfinder it doesn't look like it is, but in real life, oh, we have problems. But I'm having a good freaking hair day, so I'll be darned if I let this foundation mishap get in the way of filming at least a couple videos. Especially when I have my Stitch Fix here for the every other month. I love Stitch Fix. I love doing these videos for you guys. I'm glad at least some of you enjoy them as well. For anyone who's new, just a real quick rundown here. Stitch Fix, if you don't know, it is a clothing styling service that you can get shipped to you however often you like. Every couple weeks, every couple months, you tell them. It is not a subscription in the sense that, oh, you get one every single month and you're charged every month. No. You can get one as frequently or infrequently as you would like. You tell your stylist what you like, what you don't like in terms of clothes. Sometimes they listen to you. Sometimes they don't. And you get 5 items when you request a fix. It's 20 bucks, and then if you end up keeping anything, that money will get contributed to the items you are keeping. So if you keep one shirt that's 40 bucks, you will only have to pay an additional $20 to the 20 bucks you originally paid to get this box shipped to you. It's also got the return envelope and everything, so if you need to make returns, exchanges, etc., that is all free for you. Super easy and convenient. I am a Stitch Fix affiliate. Anyone can be. YouTube channel or not, I do always have my link listed down below, so if you want to use that to get, I do believe you get $5 off of your first fix, something along those lines. I would really appreciate it. It also gives me a little kickback, and then I can use it to get more Stitch Fixes, essentially. So, opening this up, let's see if I got Sasha this time around. She usually does my style very well. As you can see, we've got the pre-stamped, well, you can't see the pre-stamping. We've also got our little notes and everything that tells you how much things cost. Very cute. Oh, hello. I love that. It will never not tickle me to see that in the envelope. So let's see. Here is my bundle. I am seeing a print that I don't think I'm offended by. I've only glimpsed at it, I guess, but oh, maybe I was seeing a different print. I think I was thinking of this print. This print I didn't look offended by. Let's see, it looks like we got some jeans or something. I'm excited. Maybe I didn't get, I feel like with every fix, it's like usually 4 clothing items and then an accessory, which I always look forward to. I've found a lot of good jewelry from Stitch Fix that I really love, but this, it seems like maybe I just got a wad of clothing this month. Ooh, I'm actually, alright. It's a little something different and I am here for it. So we have got some shorts, some frayed denim, and they're like a faded black, and then it's got leopard print going down the sides. I'm actually all for that. It's slightly tacky, but like I said, I am all for it. Hopefully, will these fit? They're size 14. They should. They're a high-rise, authentic stretch. Real authentic denim look and feel. Engineered for maximum comfort. So they're not denim. Oh, they might be a little tight. It's hard to, because they're high-waisted, so we'll see. But I'm actually really excited for these. Then it looks like we've got a super soft dress, a wrap dress. Ooh, that looks really pretty. Oh, it's a maxi. No! Why? I always say no maxis. I always say no maxis. I'm so short, and maxi dresses just make me feel and look even shorter. No. But it's super soft. Okay, it is a high-low, so maybe this will work. Maybe this will work. It's got a nice flutter sleeve. I'm not giving up hope on this yet, darn it. Okay, and next we've got a t-shirt, it looks, or a tank top t-shirt. Okay, kind of boxy looking, but sometimes these can work on me. It is translucent sheer, I think would be a better word for clothing, which means it should be nice and lightweight for the summer. Also means I can wear a lacy bralette underneath it and make it look a little sexier, even though it is boxy and baggy looking. I love a good stripe. I love olive green. I love that there's a tie at the front, and it's very soft, so this might work. Okay, now we have something very plain looking. Literally so plain. But I mean, it's a cute gray t-shirt. Like, it's very soft. It feels like a nice thin cottony material. It's literally a gray t-shirt, and then at the bottom it's got the twisty uppy, which I do like. I just like my shirts to have a little bit more interest to them usually. But you know, this might look really cute with those shorts. And then this questionable item, what is this? It's a shirt. It's a dress. A tunic, mayhaps? And I think I'm okay with the print. I like the colors. I don't know, it's a floral print, but it's kind of like, they made it kind of look like an embroidery blankety type thing. There's a tie around it, it's a tank top. We'll see on this one, we'll see. This is from Fun to Fun. I don't think I've gotten anything from that brand before, but okay. I have questions. Hopefully they will all be answered once I try these things on. So, let's do that, shall we? Alright, you're going to have to excuse me and the mess that is this room. This is what you don't see behind the scenes. You just see the nice clean area. So, I mean, it fits, it's cute, but it's a plain gray t-shirt, you know? And these shorts, oh, these shorts, you guys. You might think, just like I think, wow, they look like they fit perfect. And they mostly do, except at the waist, where the battle of the bulge is happening. These are too tight. Ugh. Ah, there. Unzipped completely, now that's comfort. They literally fit everywhere except for my stomach, which is a darn shame because, like I said, I really like them. I like the leopard print. But that's just not gonna work. Next up, we've got this tank top. It's not terribly offensive or anything, it's just not my favorite. Potato sacky, the shape of it, and the drawstring is a little high. My waist is more like right here. It's not like a completely non-breathable material, but it is a little bit on the not so breathable side. So, alright, and this shirt, like I said, the thought was there. It's just not... It's like, I was about to say, of anything I've tried on so far, this is the one I would wear. I would actually probably wear the gray t-shirt before I wore this one. It's a little cropped for my liking, you know, belly shows if the arm goes up. And it's just, meh. It's just meh. And just when this box was making me start to hate my body, I put on the dress that I thought I was gonna like the least, but it's actually really cute. It is so soft, you guys. Excuse you, lamp. It's a little long for my liking. I tend to like things more at the knee, but it is a high-low, which I like. And overall, I think it's really pretty. Like, it reminds me very much of a dress you would wear to somebody's wedding. Like a nice outdoor wedding, you know? I could see this with some canvas wedge sandal type things, and it would feel very airy and overall nice. Whew, alright. Why does trying on clothes work up such a sweat? Now let's see. Unfortunately, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be sending everything back, which is an ouch, because if you don't keep anything, you basically lost your $20. But let's see, was this Sasha? Because the idea was right. It really was. Yes, I did get Sasha. I always feel so bad because I think Stitch Fix watches my videos and then I'm just like, I'm so sorry I didn't like the last one because my last Stitch Fix was not that great. But Sasha just says, I'm sorry you were disappointed with your last fix. I chose some summer pieces inspired by your pins this time around because I do have my Pinterest hooked up to my Stitch Fix. I saw lots of cut-off shorts on your board, so I included those along with a top because she knows I love tie front tops. Wrap dresses are super flattery. It's easy to dress up with heels and jewelry for an event or dress down with slides and a jean jacket. Enjoy. Thank you, Sasha. Sorry I am so hot at the moment. Oh, and that would be really cute. Maybe I'll keep the gray t-shirt. We'll see how much it costs. Because they give you outfit suggestions like, that is such a cute outfit. And yes, that gray shirt paired with those shorts. I knew it. I knew it would be cute. But let's see, friends. Okay, yeah. I'll keep the gray top. I will keep the gray top so my $20 does not go to waste. The gray top is only 34 bucks. I can deal with that. I mean, it feels more like a $25 quality shirt, but, you know, I understand that Stitch Fix has to up the prices a bit in order to, you know, make their styling service an actual business. The shorts, they're so cute, but they're 48 bucks and I can't keep something that doesn't fit, and that makes me feel bad about my body. I just can't. Like, yeah, I could stop eating a lot and start doing a lot more crunches and whatnot, but at the moment, it's just not gonna happen. The striped t-shirt with the tie front was 34 bucks. Again, I could see that for sure. The tunic top was 40 bucks, which it is not. No. I could see it being sold at like a Nordstrom or something for that price, but then you would find it on the sale rack for like $15. And then the dress was 54 bucks, which I think for a really nice dress, and like that material feels like absolute quality. I don't think that's bad at all. You also, I don't think I mentioned this, but if you do keep all 5 items, you do get a 25% discount off of your whole order. So I could have saved 52 bucks, but like I said, I can't keep this stuff when I know I won't wear it. But I will wear that gray top, and that makes me feel good, you know? I paid 14 bucks for the t-shirt. I'm okay with that. So overall, not the best, not the worst fix in the world. The idea was mostly there behind these items. I think a lot of it could have worked. It just wasn't great on my body type. But yeah, you guys should let me know. What did you think of this fix of mine? Do you think Sasha nailed my style? What did you like on me? Did you not like the things on me? Etc, etc. I do like hearing you guys' opinions down in the comments below. Also let me know if you get Stitch Fix. Do you like it? Etc. All that stuff. Like I said, I really do. As Drew Monson used to say, I'm very lonely. Please leave me a comment down below. Like I said in the beginning, you can definitely use my link for Stitch Fix if you would like to get a Stitch Fix, and it will get both of us some money off, so yay to that. I would appreciate it anyways. I would also really appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up down below. That really messes up with my outro here, so either way, if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. You can tippity tap that notification bell down below. You can become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!